the US government resorted to accuse Julian of being a journalist, essentially, for the first time indicting a publisher under the Espionage Act. He's not accused of espionage in the normal sense of the word. He's accused of receiving documents from a source, a whistleblower, possessing those documents and communicating them to the public. There is no interpretation of the word espionage in which that fits. That is journalism. And so they decided to go after him for journalism. And then they've always tried to rely on this one charge under the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act. It's a 5-year charge out of the 175 years. And they initially, it was solely in relation to Manning, and then they expanded it in the new superseding indictment, which they issued a month before we resumed our hearings in September. And in that, what there has been, this breakthrough that came out through the weekend, is an Icelandic, very reputable investigative newspaper published an investigation in relation to the US government's star witness in relation to this one computer charge, an Icelandic citizen. In this investigation, they interviewed him. They obtained evidence that the US has, in which the claims made in the case are basically showed to be baseless. The witness says that he lied, and that those lies are what are in the indictment. And so that the case against Julian is completely unsustainable. It's crumbling apart, or it's crumbled apart, and there's no justification at all, if ever there was one, for him to be in prison, because it's clear that the case is a sham.